Hey Miley fam, I just touched down in Nola. It was chilly out here, so I had to throw this on real quick, and let me tell you, FansIdea came through. Look at the back, super cute, right? I'm just loving how this jacket fits, and the quality is top tier. The best part about it though, it is fully customizable, so you know I had to make it my style. And wait until you see the other pieces I brought with me. And the rich colors, they harmonize effortlessly with the festive atmosphere of New Orleans. So guys, let's go ahead and hop into these pieces. Starting with the Varsity jacket. I got it in purple because that was my sister's favorite color. It has metal buttons on here, very sturdy. Going into the inside of it, inside pockets on both sides. This one I got with a light lining. It does come also in a quilted lining. Look at the collar on there. Look at the stitching. Beautiful. Very well crafted. And as you can see, my letters are stitched on. These are not iron-ons. They are actually stitched. So it makes it look a lot more expensive. Has deep pockets. Sleeves, very well crafted. And I chose to customize mine with the number 19. That is my birthday. Again, stitched on, not ironed on. And then you can go ahead and put any type of logo. I chose to get my banner for my YouTube channel. And it is stitched on as well. Look at that. Super cute. Next we have a cute t-shirt. This one is going to be screen printed. As you can see, it is not stitched on, it is screen printed on to the shirt. This cute blue and gray combination, I love it. Quality of the shirt, top tier as I told you. Look at this. The vibrancy of the colors is amazing. And on the back, I added Miss Vonita's Elite Fam. That is for all my YouTube family. Has the nice little details on the sleeves as well. And this is a woman's fit t-shirt. And I got this in a scoop neck. I'm not sure if they have it in a V-neck, but yes. The material is very nice, soft, and this is like a moisture wicking material. Last item we have is a men's golf button-up collar shirt. And of course, my Jamaican friend, he has stitched on the front of his shirt, Yarman. Look at the color on this, you guys. Nice buttons. And yes, this is stitched on as well. Look at the craftsmanship on there. FansIdea was not playing around with this. On the sleeve, it has a layered stitched on, unlike the screen print one that I have. And on the back, we have some more stitching. Born Jamaican. Look at this, you guys. So you can customize your shirt any way you choose. So if you guys are looking for some custom gear that's going to stand out, whether you're traveling, looking to upgrade your wardrobe, or even just wanting to get something for a Little League baseball team or even adult softball team. FansIdea has it all. They have affordable, customizable pieces for all occasions. And as you can see how nice these pieces fit. Vibrant colors to stand out in a beautiful city like New Orleans, y'all. Let me know down in the comments, you guys, if you will rock any of these custom pieces or if you plan on getting your own custom pieces. And make sure you use my coupon code for a discount, Ms. Vonita, when you place your order. Catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.